So we are Safe Eyes and we designed a weapon detection AI. To do this, we trained YOLO V5 using a dataset that consists of guns, blades, airsoft guns, and toy guns. Doing this allowed us to create a model which can identify and discern which type of weapon is shown.
Our process. Our first step in making our AI was gathering our images. We used SERP API to web scrape our images to use for our data set, and our searches were our what we labeled them as, and we got pretty good results. Then our second step was labeling. We used RoboFlow to label all our images, and we labeled them into the selective classes of airsoft guns with orange tips, toy guns, guns, and blades. And we had to take out all the pictures with white backgrounds or most of the pictures with white backgrounds because sometimes it would get messed up with the white backgrounds. And then our final step was training. Once we had all our images labeled, we trained our model using Google Colab and Kaggle. And there's a confusion matrix with our best results.
Just a quick question. Is your confusion matrix showing a normalized view or unnormalized view?
I do not know. This is the default matrix that comes after it's finished training. Do you know with YOLO V5?
You don't have to answer that here.
All right.
I'm just checking. So I have another question. Why did you want to do this idea again? I am sorry if I missed this in the beginning.
The idea is to create a system that can be like hooked into security systems to help detect weapons if they are like passing through a building.
Ah, okay, cool. Sorry if I was interrupting, please continue.
All right, Orlando, down to the team section. Orlando, can you scroll to the team section? Thank you.
So this is our team introductions. We have Orlando, Niru, Ronen, Omkar, Mira, this is me, Lenya, and we have our instructor, Trevor. And for our meeting page, all of us have talked about some challenges we faced throughout this project, such as working with people we never met before. And we have also talked about what we learned during AI Camp, such as the importance of teamwork and sharing out our ideas with others.
So this is our GitHub, and if you want to install it, if you want to install this to, for example, your security camera, you can click on this and then it will give you the instructions here, and then you're ready to go. And then if you want to try out the product, just as an example, you can click on this and then you can, for example, upload an image. And then it will give you.
So here in the picture, there were 3 guns, and the AI tells you that we found 3 guns with the confidence levels with 88%, 87%, and 79% confidence. However, sometimes our product is not perfect. With the 3 weeks that we were given to find pictures for the data set, label them, train the model, and create the website, our AI model is not perfect and it may identify some things incorrectly. As you can see below, we have the confusion matrix, which is not the best matrix. However, most of the time, our AI will identify the items as what they are correctly.
And just to show you, it also works on blades. So if I just do this picture here. It's not working right now for some reason.
Here, refresh the link to
So we are gonna go to picture of a knife.
here, Orlando, can you refresh the link? Like, go and click on it again. Yeah.
Oh, so okay. Let's try. So we're gonna pick the knife, upload it.
I don't know.
Try
why
the
that
Gordon
page is
Ramsay
working.
picture.
Oh yeah, and we can also show you about.
All right, and to show you how the local deployment looks, Nuru will demonstrate that.
Start by installing Anaconda and Git, but since I've already done that, I'll show you what to do next. So first you would have to open the Anaconda prompt, and you'd have to type this line of code to clone the repository where we have our Safe Eyes project. But since I've already done that, so then you have to go into the file. You would have to go into the file. Safe Eyes Detect. And once you're in there, you'd have to install the requirements. But I've already done that, so I'll show you what to do next. Yeah, so it's installing the requirements. And this should, this should take some time, so yeah. After it's installed the requirements, you would type this to start up the live detection. And it should hold for some time. And I just stopped share to show you the webcam.
Cool, guys. Is that everything?
Just
No.
a little bit. I think Nuru's going to show
Okay.
what the window looks like with the live boxes being drawn. I think you shared the wrong window, Nuru.
Yeah, I'm just like redoing it because it didn't work.
Okay, there. So it is running.
Yeah.
So the idea is if you have live webcam feed, you can feed it through this or CCTV.
This is the live webcam feed it connects to. And it is going to detect like stuff like this. To show you, I don't have anything right now to show you, but like, for example, if you hold up a pencil, it won't detect anything, but like if you held up a knife or like a toy gun, it should detect stuff.